Good morning. Do you want a super cute, fun, fast way to send a message to your class? I know you do. Like like a quote of the day or a link or an assignment, just something fun to send to your class. Okay, awesome. All right, so, and a little different. I am at canva.com. So canva.com. Okay, awesome. Now I'm logged in, so I suggest you register for a free account. I have a free account, not a professional. Okay, so let's go here to create a design. So in my left-hand toolbar here, create a design. Now, it's going to ask you for your dimensions. And so it gives you some options right away, like a LinkedIn banner or YouTube thumbnail or YouTube channel art. I go to logo because I like the dimensions of a logo. And the dimensions just simply mean how big it's going to look on your screen. And then it will prepare this nice, beautiful white canvas for us. And we can do all kinds of fabulous things on this white canvas, okay? So let's say I just want to do a quote for the day for my kiddos, okay? So I go over here to text, and it gives me all kinds of cool combinations that I can pick out, okay? So let's do this one. Wild sale up to 50% off. So I sort of just like click it and drag it. Okay, so I clicked it and dragged it, and now here it is. Okay, so but instead of, I don't want to say wild sale up to 50% off. I want to say quote. So I clicked on it, and I want to say quote of the day. And then it's all out of alignment. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to say ungroup. And then I'm going to select my quote and move it up here, quote of the day. And then let me grab this little 50% off. Quote of the day. Double click here. Here is my quote. Let's say good day for a good day. Good day for a good day. A good day for a good day. All right, that's my quote of the day for my little kiddos. All right. Now, let me make that a little bit easier to read. Okay. Now, I am not a graphic artist, but this looks pretty cool. All right. It's not the greatest art ever, but it's something fun and super easy. Okay. So quote of the day, it's a good day for a good day. All right. Let me add some color. So I go over here to my left-hand toolbar and let me pick background. Look at all these free, cool backgrounds. So let me do, oh, look at these hearts. They're so cute. Oh, this cloud. Let me do a cloud. And there's a little, if there's a little delay, just work with it. There's a lot of people online right now. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. Okay, quote of the day. It's a good day for a good day. Now, let's say I want to tell them happy Wednesday. So I go down here, click add new page, and then look, there's my first page. Here's my second page. So cool. And I say, I go back to my text. I go back to my text and I pick out, let me pick out a different, I'll pick out this cold, smooth, and tasty. Bear, Bear's barking. Just ignore him. He's a puppy. Okay, so instead of cold, smooth, and tasty, I'm going to say happy Wednesday. Please complete your math pages 1 to 2 today. Okay. And then let's say I want to tell them a reading assignment. And I'll pick out another text example here. Wait for it. Here it is. Okay, so Theo and Kate are having a baby boy. Let's ungroup this. Let's get rid of this part. Whoops. Delete. Delete. I just want this part right here. Read chapter 5. Now that doesn't make any sense, does it? Because it's way too big. So I go up here to my font and I'll put it down to 48. And then I'll space it a little bit better here. And let's say I'm sick of the centered spacing, the center alignment. So all I do here is I click on what I want a little bit differently aligned, and there it goes. Okay, so read chapter 5. Now I'll add another page. I pick a different font. Special brew just for you. Man, I'd get in a lot of trouble for writing that. Okay, so let me ungroup. And let me get rid of, as soon as it's done loading, I'll get rid of this. Whoops. If I make a mistake, I just do undo. Let me get rid of this because that's too small. But I do like this type of font, and I'll say, highlight it, please and I'll say, please write about Brazil for 25 minutes today. Okay, awesome. So now I have quote of the day. It's a good day for a good day. Happy Wednesday. Please complete your math pages 1 and 2 today. Read chapter 5. And please write about Brazil for 25 minutes today. Okay, so I have all these. Now, I like the quote of the day background, but I don't like the background for Happy Wednesday. So let me go into my left-hand toolbar and look at all these cool backgrounds. And if I hover on them in the bottom right-hand corner, I can see if they're free. So I'm going to go ahead and choose for Happy Wednesday this grassy background. Oh, look how cool that is. All right, for this, read chapter 5. Ooh, look at that confetti. I love the confetti background. Let's try that. Oh, look how cool that is. But you know what? I don't like how dark this black looks. So let's go here and let's do white. Ooh, that is really cool. That's very sharp. I like that. Okay. Let's change the background on, please write about Brazil. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Let me see if something reminds me of South America. This is sort of an oceany background. And that reminds me of, is it Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro have the big beaches in Brazil? So maybe I'll try and do that. Come on. Okay. Oh, look at that. And you know what? I'm going to take this font to a different color too. Let's see if that, oh, no, that does not work. Okay, I like that better. Okay. Okay. So here I am. I have my quote of the day. Happy Wednesday. Please complete your math pages. Now this, I think that they can't see this that well. I think that they can't see, please complete your math pages that well. So I'm going to go here. I'll ungroup this. And maybe I'll put a little element behind it that makes it stand out a little bit. So let me put a shape behind it. So let me drag over a shape here. Okay. I'm going to pull up this shape, and I just want it behind my assignment, so it sort of highlights my assignment. Okay, so happy Wednesday. Please complete your math pages today. But instead of that gray, I'll do a green. Does the dark green, light green, I can play with that. Ooh, I could put like this lime green. Okay, look at how that stands out. That is awesome. Then read chapter 5. Please write about Brazil. All right, so I have all my cool things. So now what I want to do is I'm in Screencastify. So if I wasn't in Screencastify, I would click right here, and I would make sure that I'm recording in my Screencastify, and I record this screen right here. Okay. Now I'm going to stop my recording, and I'm going to show you how to edit this. I'll show you how to edit this so you just see these fun little things like this. Okay. Okay, so you've made your assignments for the day in Canva, in free Canva. Now, what you want to do is you want to record your voice and tell your students, hello, good morning, and then you want to read your little quote cards here. Okay, so you're reading them their assignments for the day. And it's just a fun, simple, easy way to connect to your students. So first, complete your quote cards, complete your Canva cards. Okay, mine are far from perfect, but they're cute and they're different. Okay, something different to do. So now I turn on my Screencastify, and I'll show you my little box here. And I am recording with my microphone. So I don't have I'm not recording with my face showing, I'm recording with my microphone and with my screen showing, obviously. So now I go down here, and I'm going to press these two little arrows to say present in full screen. And look how big and beautiful that is. Okay, so all I have to do now is record my voice and go through these little cards. Okay, so I would say, good morning, A10. It is another beautiful day here, and we're all together, and we're all safe, and we're all staying home. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for our assignments today. First is our quote of the day. It's a good day for a good day. All right, and don't flub yours like I'm flubbing mine, okay? Just say yours really powerfully and beautifully, unlike how I'm saying mine. Okay, and then hover to the right of your computer screen and go to the next card. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Okay, so for math, please complete pages 1 and 2 today. And then I click for the next one. In our chapter read along of our book, Fish in a Tree, let's go ahead and read chapter 5 together. Yay! I wonder what Allie is up to in chapter 5. Okay, and finally for today, you are going to write for 25 minutes in your writing journal. Yay! Who can find out the most about Brazil? All right, let's figure out the different lenses that we're writing through. So you might, but Brazil has amazing, fabulous, wonderful animals living in their rainforest. So you might want to write about the lens of animals. You might want to write about the lens of geography because they have amazing beaches, or you want to write about the Amazon rainforest. Fantastic. I'm so proud of everything that you're doing. Keep up all the great work. If you need me, just go ahead and email me. Have a great Wednesday. Okay. And then, so that's your little message is done. So then go ahead and in your bottom right hand corner of your screen, go ahead and click exit full screen. And then come up here to your Screencastify and hit your stop button. Okay, so this is the video that I just made, and I'm reading these really pretty little cards that I wrote in Canva. Okay, and I'm going through and I'm showing my class and I'm reading them, and I have these all scripted out, and I know exactly what I want to do with them. So I want to go ahead and show you how I edit in Canva or in Screencastify. So I click here. This is my video that I made. I click here, open in editor. And it gives us these cute little firing up, signing in, blue, blue, blue. Ready to make some magic? Ooh. Okay, so here's this stuff that I want to read to my class. And it looks really cute and it's my voice, but it's something different. It's just these little quote cards that I've created. So I want to go ahead and play this. And I'm going to get to the part where I am reading these, and that's all I want my class to see. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go down here to my little crop tool. So I'm in my editor. I'm going to go to my crop tool, and I am going to draw a crop over the quote card. And then I'm going to go ahead and do I'm going to hit done. And I'm going to make sure that's exactly what I want and the size that I want. And then I'll go ahead and hit play. Okay, so now my students, what they see is just the little quote card, and then they hear my voice. So quote of the day, it's a good day for a good day. Happy Wednesday. Please complete your math pages 1 and 2 today. Read chapter 5. Please write about Brazil for 25 minutes today. Then that's just a fun, neat little way to welcome your students to the day and to present what you're going to be doing for the day in writing, but you are just using a visual and your voice. I hope you like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.